Welcome to Best Choice. The best Galaxy S10 is probably one of the most iconic smartphones Samsung has ever released, and even years after its debut, it continues to impress with its stunning design, vibrant display, and capable camera system, making it a compelling option for those seeking a premium Android experience without the latest flagship price tag. Number 5. Samsung Galaxy S10 Factory Unlocked Android Cell Phone. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10. It's more than just a phone, it's a powerful creative tool designed to fit right in your pocket. Experience a new level of mobile photography and videography. Equipped with a full set of pro lenses, including ultra-wide and micro-zoom, it lets you capture stunning landscapes and intricate details with ease. Enjoy live video bokeh and super stabilization for professional-looking shots. With just one tap, you can capture multiple images and videos simultaneously. Its intelligent software and filters ensure you get the best shot every time, effortlessly. Take full creative control with Pro Video mode. Adjust exposure, focus, and more to bring your unique artistic vision to life, just like a seasoned filmmaker. Share your creations faster than ever. It connects and shares with up to 5 compatible devices simultaneously via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, with no limits on content or file size. Enjoy a cinematic viewing experience on its 6.1-inch endless Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED screen with a nearly bezel-less infinity display. Its super slim design fits comfortably in your hand and pocket. Experience long-lasting, intelligent power that lasts all day. With fast charging, wireless power share, and massive storage, it optimizes battery usage to perfectly match your lifestyle. What we like. This device offers an updated camera system with pro-grade tools for creative control. If you are looking for a pocket-sized studio with advanced video and photo capabilities, this is a great choice. Its sleek design also ensures comfortable handling and a premium feel. What people say. The camera is amazing, especially in low light. The battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. The display is stunning, with vibrant colors and sharp details. Number 4. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Unlocked 512GB. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Unlocked, featuring a massive 512GB of storage. It's designed to keep up with your life. Unlock incredible photography with its updated camera system. Features like single-take AI and Pro Video give you powerful creative control. Equipped with pro-grade lenses, including ultra-wide and micro-zoom, it captures stunning landscapes and intricate details. Achieve cinematic shots with live video bokeh and super stabilization. Take amazing photos and videos with just one tap. Its intelligent system captures the best of every moment, every time, with various lenses and effects. Connect and share content instantly with up to 5 compatible devices simultaneously via Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Share anything, without limits. Experience its sleek, super slim design that fits perfectly in your hand. The 6.4-inch endless Quad HD Plus dynamic AMOLED screen offers a truly cinematic viewing experience. Enjoy long-lasting, intelligent battery power that adapts to your usage. With fast charging and wireless power share, it's ready for anything. What we like. Experience a more immersive viewing with its larger display and capture stunning visuals with pro-grade lenses. If you are a mobile gamer, a movie buff, or someone who loves to shoot detailed photos and videos, this phone is for you. Its long-lasting battery ensures you stay powered through your day. What people say. The screen is bright and vibrant, making it great for watching videos and playing games. The camera takes amazing photos, even in low light conditions. The zoom feature is also impressive. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S10e 128GB Unlocked. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10e. Experience its sleek design and powerful performance. With 128GB of storage, you'll have plenty of space for all your photos, videos, and apps. This model comes in a stunning prism black finish, adding a touch of elegance to your device. Enjoy the freedom of an unlocked phone. It works with any compatible carrier, giving you flexibility. This is a renewed product, ensuring it's in excellent working condition and ready for you to use. What we like. This option provides flexibility with all carrier compatibility and is a renewed model, offering value. If you are seeking an unlocked phone that works with any network and are open to a pre-owned device that's been restored, this could be a budget-friendly pick. It's ideal for those who prefer a more compact smartphone experience. What people say. The screen is beautiful and the camera is amazing. I love the design and how it feels in my hand. The battery life is excellent and it charges quickly. Number 2. Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Unlocked Android Cell Phone. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus Unlocked. Experience the power of Android with 512 GB of storage, advanced fingerprint and facial recognition, and a long-lasting battery. Unlock even more creative potential with updated camera features. Enjoy single-take AI, pro video, and more, all designed to elevate your mobile photography. This device is like a studio in your pocket. With a full set of pro lenses, including ultra-wide and micro zoom, you can capture stunning landscapes and intricate details with ease. Capture multiple images and videos simultaneously with just one tap. Its intelligent lenses, effects, and filters ensure you get the best shot every time. Take control of your creative vision with Pro Video mode. Adjust exposure, focus, and more to bring your cinematic ideas to life. Seamlessly share content with up to 5 compatible devices at once using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. There are no limits on content type or file size. Enjoy a super slim design that fits comfortably in your hand and pocket. Its 6.4-inch Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED screen offers a nearly bezel-less, cinematic viewing experience. What we like. This phone is designed to be your personal creative studio with its advanced camera system and cinematic display. If you prioritize capturing professional quality content and enjoying media on a large, vibrant screen, this device excels. Its intelligent battery management also ensures it keeps up with your demanding lifestyle. What people say. The phone has a great camera with good zoom capabilities. The battery life is impressive, lasting all day with moderate use. The display is vibrant and sharp, making videos and games look amazing. Number 1. Samsung Galaxy S10 AT&T Unlocked, White, 128 GB. Introducing the Samsung Galaxy S10, an AT&T factory unlocked smartphone. Experience its sleek design and powerful features. This device boasts a beautiful white finish that complements its premium build. It's designed to impress and feel great in your hand. With 128 GB of internal storage, you'll have ample space for all your photos, videos, and apps. Never worry about running out of room again. Being factory unlocked means you have the freedom to use it with your preferred carrier. Enjoy seamless connectivity wherever you go. Discover the advanced technology and user-friendly interface of the Galaxy S10. It's the perfect companion for your daily life. What we like. This model is specifically unlocked for AT&T networks, offering a clean and straightforward experience. If you are an AT&T customer looking for a reliable Samsung device with ample storage for your daily needs, this is a solid choice. The white finish adds a touch of classic style. What people say. The display is bright and vibrant, making it great for watching videos and playing games. The camera takes stunning photos, even in low light conditions. The zoom feature is also impressive. Battery life is excellent, easily lasting a full day of heavy use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.